What is this? Brown tarantula. Oh, he's down there. Yikes.
Wolf spider.
Isn't it hairy sparkle? Oh yeah, there it is. Turn on the light. Push the light.
Push the light.
Awful access.
What, is this a spider?
No.
Look, it shows you it's dead when you press the button.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Yeah, he's quite nice. Carolina wolf spider. Tennessee wolf spiders are not that big a one.
Hey, come here this way.
Whoa, whoa. Sorry. I'm just being pushed around.
Look at they're sparkly.
Oh, those are pretty.
That one's cool.
Look how big that guy is.
And that one, and this one.
Some good examples of beetles here, aren't they? Look at those pretty ones.
I think those ones are pretty.
They're like gold colored.
They're shining beetles.
Indeed.
Just the button there will light up.
Well, that helps.
We're fond of the spider because we brought it in.
Oh, are you?
Catherine found it, named it Charlotte. We brought it to our friend who works here, and she's like, that's kind of rare for this part of the state. So I put it on display.
That is so cool.
You want to take a
So you can bring your own spiders in here. That's cool.
Yes, it's the right kind, yeah.
Good to know. Oh, wow. Look at those guys. These are the kind they eat on Fear Factor.
I have a friend that got a cut from Madagascar cockroaches, and she just plays with them.
Really?
Creepy.
Yeah. They're a little sketchy, aren't they? And they're big. Let's see. Wow. Those are all types of bees. Look at all those types of bees. Those are cool. Oh yeah, they're alive. Look at that.
I wonder what that one's doing. He's having a bad day.
It's got something.
Look, it's some. Yeah. Oh, look, there's one right there. They're trying to get
What kind of ants are they?
Hi.
Does it say?
No.
Well, these are harvester ants.
I want to do that.